This will just be a quick unboxing of the tool, and I'll have the instruction manual uploaded as a PDF for anyone to read it. As you can see, there's a lot of adapters. There are 4 receiving cups, 2 here and 2 here. A big bolt, I'll get you the size on that. Best part about the tool is this grade 5 bolt. Most tools don't come with this, and it's hard to source this part out. I haven't been able to find it. The instruction book is actually pretty cool. Shows that you can use an air tool. And the best part is that you have a car and listed in here, which I'll scan it, PDF it, put a link in the description below, and you can download it. Here's a close-up view of the parts. If you can read it, you can pause it to read it individually. Best thing about the tool, grade 8 bolt. These are hard to source out, because I was trying to find a cheaper version of this, but everybody had a problem with these bolts. The cheaper ones don't use a strong grade metal, and that's why I guess you can use an air tool with this. Comes with 4 receiver cups, 2 here, 2 there, and the size of both this nut and the head bolt here for the nut, both 1.25 inch, which is about 31 or 32 millimeters. And as you can see, there's lots of adapters, each one with a number associated with it. So if you find your car, and if it has the right tool, you don't have to mess around with it too much trying to find the right size for your car.